Hello people, I'm back and with another video. So yeah, the train I think it went over that way. So that's why I saw the train going by over there. So yeah, I think it was a CSX train going by. Yeah, I missed part of it, but not half. I only saw carts there. So yeah, I'm just here with another video. So hey, look, now I can see it now. The red light means there's no train coming, but the yellow light means it's picking up some signals that the other train's coming. If it says green light, that means the train is coming. But no green light has appeared yet. Man, I am so into trains right now. I heard the NS train yesterday. Yeah, it was going over there. It was going over there. And yeah, it hit over there and I saw the NS train. Hey, what is that? It's picking up something. I see the light. I hear it. I gotta go. Alright, so we're just about to head out and
I'll go to the taco thing and buy you one taco, okay?
Okay. Or burrito. Okay. So we're just about to head out.
You
guys.
go to Chuco and get a lot of taco free. You gotta pay nothing for it.
So we're just about to head out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and leave a like as well.